How to unlink Facebook from your Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to a new video on 1-2 step. If your account of Facebook and Instagram are connected with each other, there are a few things that you can do with it. Now, if you don't want it to be connected, you can also easily remove it. You can either use your Facebook or your Instagram to unlink it. For this video, we're going to use the Instagram. Now all we do is from the home screen of your Instagram, tap on your profile icon on the bottom right. Once you're here, just tap on the three lines on the top right and then head over to settings. From the settings page, you just scroll down and you'd be able to see a section of Meta, and under Meta you just tap on Account Center. Now with Meta adding in the Account Center, it's really easy to add and remove any kinds of accounts linked with each other. So all you do is tap on the account option on the bottom, and here you'd be able to see all of your linked accounts, whether it be Facebook account or your Instagram. Just tap on remove on the Facebook option and then tap on remove again. Here it's going to show you a couple of things that will happen after you remove your account. If you agree, tap on continue and tap on remove. And there you go, your account of Facebook has now been successfully unlinked with your Instagram. If you want to add it later on, it's also the same process. So I hope this video helped you out. If it did, subscribe and also give this video a thumbs up. If you have any questions related to it, make sure to comment down below. That's all for today, and I'll be seeing you guys in the next one.